Hey everyone, welcome to Rainmaker 3D. Today we're going to be going out of this world to find out about aerospace engineering. So, what exactly do aerospace engineers do? Let's find out. Aerospace engineering is the field of engineering that focuses on the development of aircraft and spacecraft. It's divided into two main branches: aeronautical engineering, which deals with aircraft that operate within Earth's atmosphere, and astronautical engineering, which focuses on spacecraft and anything that operates outside the atmosphere. In other words, aerospace engineers design and build the planes, rockets, and satellites that allow us to explore the skies and beyond. Aerospace engineering has a rich history. It all started with early pioneers like the Wright brothers, who made the first successful powered flight in 1903. Fast forward a few decades and we had humans walking on the moon in 1969 during the Apollo missions. Over the years, aerospace engineering has evolved into one of the most advanced and cutting-edge fields, driving innovations in everything from commercial air travel to space exploration. So what do aerospace engineers actually do? Their job is to design, test, and develop vehicles that can fly, whether it's airplanes, helicopters, drones, or rockets. They also design spacecraft like satellites and space probes, helping us explore space. Aerospace engineers work in a variety of industries, including defense, aviation, space exploration, and even the development of new technologies like drones and flying taxis. Let's take a look at some of the key areas within aerospace engineering. The first area is aerodynamics. Engineers in this field study how air flows around vehicles, whether it's an airplane wing or a rocket body. Their goal is to reduce drag and increase efficiency. Propulsion is another critical area. These engineers design engines and propulsion systems that power aircraft and spacecraft. This includes everything from jet engines to rocket engines that can send spacecraft into orbit. Structural engineering focuses on designing the physical components of the aircraft or spacecraft. These engineers ensure that vehicles can withstand the forces of flight, whether they're flying through the atmosphere or traveling through space. Then there's avionics, which deals with the electronic system used in aircraft and spacecraft. This includes navigation systems, communication systems, and the onboard computers that control everything from autopilot to landing gear. Finally, there's control systems engineering, where engineers design the systems that control how aircraft and spacecraft move. This includes everything from flight controls to guidance system for rockets. Aerospace engineers rely on a variety of tools to design and test their vehicles. One of the most important is wind tunnels, where engineers test the aerodynamics of models before building the real thing. They also use flight simulators to test how aircraft and spacecraft will perform in different conditions, and advanced computer software like CFD or computational fluid dynamics is used to simulate how air flows around objects. Aerospace engineering has a wide range of applications. Some of the most important include commercial aviation, designing and improving airplanes that carry passengers safely and efficiently around the world. Space exploration, creating rockets, satellites, and space probes that help us explore the universe and learn about our planet. Military and defense, developing aircraft and spacecraft for defense purposes, including fighter jets, drones, and reconnaissance satellites. Emerging technologies, working on new innovations like electric aircraft, flying cars, and reusable rockets. If you're interested in a career in aerospace engineering, there are a lot of options available. You could go work for companies like Boeing, Lockheed Martin, or SpaceX. Or you might work for government agencies like NASA or the European Space Agency. Whether you want to design the next generation of airplanes, explore deep space, or develop cutting-edge defense systems, aerospace engineers are in demand across a variety of industries. So, what skills do you need to be a successful aerospace engineer? Aerospace engineering requires strong skills in mathematics and physics, especially when it comes to understanding forces, energy, and motion. Problem solving is key, as you'll constantly be working on complex challenges. Attention to detail is also crucial, especially when designing systems where safety and precision are critical. And don't forget creativity. Aerospace engineers are always pushing the limits of technology, so you'll need to think outside the box. Finally, teamwork is essential, as aerospace projects are often huge collaborative efforts. To get started in aerospace engineering, you'll need to earn a bachelor's degree in aerospace engineering or a related field like mechanical engineering. During your studies, you'll learn about aerodynamics, propulsion systems, material sciences, and control systems. Internships are also a great way to gain real-world experience. You could work with companies or organizations that are at the forefront of the aerospace innovation, giving you hands-on exposure to the field. Aerospace engineering is one of the most exciting and dynamic fields out there. Whether you dream of designing the next generation of spacecraft, improving commercial aviation, or exploring new frontiers in space, this field offers endless possibilities. If you're passionate about flight, space, and solving complex engineering problems, aerospace engineering could be a perfect career for you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit subscribe for more content about engineering, innovation, and technology here on Rainmaker 3D.